How to make your Facebook profile private. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily make your Facebook profile private if you don't want others to see what posts you've shared or what photos you've posted. This video is for you. So Facebook do not have this feature like Instagram where you can make your account private, but there are some settings that you can tweak in order for you to make your profile somewhat private. Let's get started. So first of all, open your Facebook, and from here you want to head over to the menu section at the top right corner and just tap on the gear icon to open your settings and privacy. Now under tools and resources you will see privacy checkup. Just tap on it and tap on who can see what you share. So just tap on the first option. Here are actually 3 steps. So the first one is your profile information, and then your posts and stories, and after that blocking. So tap on continue. Make sure all of these settings are set to only me or friends. So make sure that all of these, like your email, your birthday, your education, your relationship status, and on under your friends and following, make sure that who can see people, pages, and lists you follow. This is also set to friends, and who can see your friend list. Make sure that it's set to friends or only me. And after you do that, you can tap on next. And on your posts and stories, your default audience will be set to public, but you can change it to your friends only. And once you do that, you can choose it to only me as well, but it's better if you only choose your friends so that only your friends will be able to see your posts and stories. Now tap on next. And finally, if you want to add someone on your block list, you can do that. But if not, you can just tap on next. And after this, you can, as you can see, you're all set, and now your profile has been set as private. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video.